So a common problem with Microsoft Excel, as far as I can see, is where you get this error using the stock quotes that says Excel ran out of resources while attempting to calculate one or more formulas. As a result, these formulas cannot be evaluated. And done a lot of looking and researching on this, and I don't see a good solution for it. In this example here, these are the stocks here. I have it looking for a history going back 8 days to this date right here. And they are populated okay here. Now, here's what I've noticed. I had this sheet set up where, it will pull the 8-day close and the change for 8 days here. Typically, when I get that Excel ran out of resources messages, of course, none of this would be filled here. It all would have an error here because it was unable to pull that. So what I've seen is people suggest go into File, go into Options, Advanced, and change down here to manual the calculations and make it 1. That hasn't really worked, but I will say this, and this is just throwing this out there for suggestions. I have noticed, like if I get that error on it when I open it up, and whatever it's set on, say here, I've got it set up for use all processors, which is 8. And this is using Windows 10 on my computer, but use all processors 8. If I change it from whatever it is and save the file, close it, reopen it, typically lately it's been pulling the quotes like it should on both the 8 days, which is this, and I have a 20-day also, which is that. And it doesn't seem to matter back here on this thing whether I'm changing it from one or the other, going again to advanced, changing it from manual or to whatever, just as long as I change it and then save it, close it, and reopen it, it seems like it wants to pull the data then. So I'm just curious what would be causing that. It doesn't seem to be an issue with the server. It seems to be more an issue with Microsoft. So just curious what thoughts anybody might have on that.